I've got me some questions about the resquebouy system I use, and maybe it's better to make a kind of instructional video to show it. First, the buoy itself. I'll show it. This is the one of my Type 212, and this is the hatch, and the thing over here, I'll get it out. The thing over there is the spool with a fishing wire, and if I let it go, you can see the buoy is starting to roll off. I'll put them back. Sorry for the camera, it's better for the demonstration. I made a coupling with a magnet, so you can see the magnet is stuck now. It's quite simple. There, I'll take something to point. I've got this rod is going to this construction over here. This tube. I drilled a hole in the tube, and now it is stuck because the rod is inserted inside the tube. I'll put this one on. I'll put my transmitter on. Set driver on. First initiate. Alright. Everything is in working order. I use the fail-safe of the ADF2 because I run this boat only on snort, and the buoy system is meant for an extra backup when the boat gets stuck on the water, like happened in the last subsail. I was driving this boat and a little bit too fast, and it dove to, I think, 3, 4, maybe 5 feet, and since she is slightly buoyant balanced, the pressure was too high to get her up. So I deactivated my transmitter, and up came the buoy, and I can wheel it in by the line. The idea is, if you put your transmitter offline, I hope I can show that like this. Takes about 3-4 seconds. And there you can see, and now I can lift out the buoy. I can also show you, put my transmitter online again, what's inside. I hope you can see that. If I push this in, you can see the little pin. I'll put it offline again, the transmitter. I hope to get it sharp or in view. Transmitter off. And you see, now the exit is free. That's the principle. And to make this, you only need an extra servo and the connection from your ADF, and the same as you use to blow your tank if you've got one with gas. I've also got another system that's a little bit different. I'll put this one offline and I'll restart it again because I want to show the V80. Nice invention, those computer centers. Okay. Now off. There's my OSA 2, which I'm building now. And here I've got V80. This one is different because I didn't have the room inside the watertight compartment like with the subdriver. This one is different because it works with a hook. Again, the buoy. Again, the spool with a wire. And this is my locking device. It's, if you see this opening over here, it will insert over there and then it will give free. Let's have a try with this one. Let's see what he does. This one is a little bit bigger, so I can show it better. Transmitter offline, and it takes some time with the V80 to happen. This one is controlled by a fail-safe print which is timed, so it will take some time, about 30 seconds before she will come up. 30 seconds is a long time for waiting, but this is the way to show it. Oh boy. "30 seconds is really a long time." And there it is. Now the buoy can exit the boat and you are done. And bring the system online again. It's online again. And a simple way of making it the way it should go is like this. Insert it, put the hook in, and you can see it's now stuck. And this is a vertical buoy. It doesn't matter. The only thing what matters is that you have place for a hatch or something from the boat that can detach. And the foam which I'm using over here is the same styrene as for balancing your boat. So it's in all two basic principles for a rescue buoy system. So I hope that the request is fulfilled in this way. So again, the little SD driver, and I'll show it better. Just a piece of tube with a little guide tube inside for this rod to accept. And the other one over here, some magnetic coupling. Show it. I drilled a little hole inside. So that's all. If you got more questions, don't hesitate to ask.